How to unblock someone on the Hoop app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unblock someone on the Hoop app. So to unblock someone, first of all, you'll have to open the Hoop app on your mobile device. Now once you've opened the app, simply log into your account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on your profile, which is in the top left corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to tap on the gear icon, which is in the top right corner of your screen. Now you will be taken to the settings page where just under my account, the last option, you can see blocked users. Simply tap on it. After that, it will provide you a list of all of the different users you've blocked. So if you want to unblock someone, simply tap on their name. After that, a pop-up from the bottom will appear asking you to unblock this user. So since we are here to do that, we'll simply tap on the option unblock this user, and there you have it. So that is basically how you unblock someone on the Hoop app. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.